My name is Himpa.
Okay.
ನಾನು basically from Coorg.
Okay.
Working in Bangalore, it's been 3 years.
Super. Okay. So how's your life going?
It's okay. It's
Super.
not bad. 3 years same company change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, but ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay. Super. Super. So what makes you happy in life?
Makes me happy.
Yes.
I'm just trying to find peace, that's all. My life has been difficult. Every year I just hope to get a little better, that's all. No, nothing much, sir. No big dreams.
Okay.
No,
Super.
just trying to be happy and peace.
That's awesome. What do you think is like really important in life?
Important in life.
Yes.
For me, as a person, ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, because I lost my parents.
Okay.
When I was in 5th, my mom passed. When I was in 9th, my dad passed.
Okay.
So then I had to come back to Bangalore.
Okay.
So parents are someone who would never leave you until death or something comes.
Yeah.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ you have a place to go cry. You have a place to just say ಏನೋ ಒಂದಾಗಲಿ ಗುರು, ನಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆ ಥರ. ಐ ಮಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆವಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಸರ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ there should always be another person who's going to stay forever. Ups and downs ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ, without judging, without doing anything, just be there.
Yes.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ.
Yeah, like parents are like the one who come with that. Like they give us birth. It's like that. It's a relationship where like it never ends.
Yeah. That's very precious, sir.
It's very precious.
Please,
Yeah.
well, like everyone should treat their parents well, no matter what. Like because this is the only reason they should treat their parents well. They're gonna stay forever, no matter
Yes.
what. That's something precious.
Definitely.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
Super.
happy.
No, I think what you have said is like ಮುತ್ತು ತರ ಆಯ್ತು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮುತ್ತಮ್ಮ ಸರ್, ಇಂಪ ಮುತ್ತಮ್ಮ.
Oh, super. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲವ್ ಯು ನೇಮ್.
ಮೈ
really. No, I don't know. Like I actually am a very ಹೆಂಗಳದು. It's like I am a cultural person. Not that ವಿಭೂತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, but I respect culture. So I like that.
Culture is beautiful.
Yeah. I like your name. So it's like that.
Oh.
Anyhow, so what do you think about this? What I'm doing now, talking to people, doing podcasts.
See, people are hardworking, earning money, struggling, still earning money, or at least enjoying what you're doing. And it's so nice to meet different people, sir. It's an opportunity to meet different people.
Correct.
And meeting people teaches you a lot of things, because I work for a corporate, event management company. Every day I talk to more than 10 people.
Okay.
So I do understand, like I'm not personally, not like this or something, even if it's just a professional office call. It's very nice to connect with people, It's a beautiful thing.
Yes.
So you have an opportunity, you're utilizing it, it's a great thing.
Yes.
I hope something really good happens to you, because if it's an interesting conversation, people gonna listen to your podcast.
Definitely,
as well.
yeah. See, actually, the other thing is that ಇವಾಗ ಜನರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. There is no like, see, for example,
AI ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ChatGPT.
I know. AI ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ robotic.
Yeah.
People text each other sitting next to each other.
Exactly. So like if there is a conversation or they say like I want to talk to you, they say okay ba Google ಅಲ್ಲಿ meet ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ we'll meet. It's more like a virtual connection ಇದೆ, but a physical connection ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ. And also like talking to strangers is like ಬಹಳ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. But yeah, like not everybody would be like this. Maybe ಕೆಲವರು creeps ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಿರುತ್ತೆ. But still I think you can try out like talking to people. So ಅದೊಂದು why not we'll try and ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ I am doing this.
Nice one, sir. Something unique as well. Usually I don't talk to people when I'm using this app and all. But eventually if I find okay, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿ with respect, once you feel that respect from
Exactly.
someone, it's okay. ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Exactly. See, I think I'll tell you, like even things were never working for me too. But one thing what I got a clarity on is that it's basically what energy you give out is what you get back.
That's absolutely. You tell me, sir, how's life? What was the weirdest conversation you ever had with a customer?
Weirdest conversation. Day before yesterday, one girl, she said that happiness is a myth.
Okay.
Yeah, like ನಾನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ you want happiness, so it was actually an eye opener. Like even what she said is that if you want to be happy, for example, if you're being materialistic, okay, you're being like ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, like Levi's jeans or like some clothes, or he got a car, I want to get a bike, or he got a bike, I want to get a car. Like it's more like that, right? Being materialistic. So once you get the car, what happens? It's like for 6 months, or he's in relationship.
So, just so sorry to cut you
Yeah.
short. See, there are two types of people. One, people find happiness with materialistic things. Okay? There are some people who find happiness in everything.
Yeah.
Every small
True,
things.
true.
So if you choose to be a materialistic person, you will have to keep on buying things. It will never end. So I am not a kind of person who likes it. I am, but it's comfort more than for me. It's comfort matters more.
No,
than
that's
whatever it
that is okay. Like see, that's what you're not hurting someone else,
Correct.
and you're keeping yourself happy, and that is really important, alva. She was saying that I felt that was weird, and yeah, like ಬಹಳ ಜನ like they sometimes are like ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಐ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಿರೋರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಾಲರ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
She was?
No, not her. I like some other passenger.
Okay.
Like that's what she said. Like alga mugitu. This person carpenter ಅವರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he is getting paid around 400 rupees per day. He works almost 15 hours. He is from UP.
Okay.
Yeah. ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay.
400 ಅಂದರೆ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 15,000 ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ 20,000 ಒಳಗೆ ವೈಫ್, 3 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ he was happy. So actually I felt that weird because we are like earning, we keep a target like we should earn this much, we want to do like ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 50 ಮೇಲೆನೆ we have to earn. But he was only happy with like what he was earning.
Happiness is a choice.
Yeah,
It's always a choice.
100%.
Anybody can find happiness anywhere. It's just that priorities. Adu, idu, jana, hangge luxury.
Yes.
It's okay. For me, I wish my parents were still there. I would be more than happy. Sometimes I dream about like ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂಥರ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ದ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೋ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ನು ಆಸೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
Correct.
ಬೇರೆ ಎಂತ ವಿಯರ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ಸ್? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ones.
No, actually weirdest is like I have not recorded that.
But you tell me your experience. Something weird happened during ride.
Okay, I'll tell you. It's like very very personal. Women shared her story.
Sorry?
But women shared her story.
Okay.
But adu off record matadana.
Okay.
Let's finish this podcast. So are you happy in life?
Am I happy? Yeah, sometimes I'm happy, sometimes it's roller coaster, sir. Emotions
Okay.
are roller coasters, yeah.
Super. So what do you think like you want to change in the world?
You want to change in the world? Is
Yes.
Never
In
thought
people.
of changing anybody or anyone, like anything in world. But yeah, if you think there are a lot of things we need to change. What's the main issue now? I don't know, sir. Not really.
Okay. Cool.
I mean, everything has its own things happening, good and bad every time.
True. It's like a butterfly effect.
Yeah,
ಒಂದು connect ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Connect ಆಗಿದೆ.
If you want to change, like if you move a chair, like ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, a time traveler moves a chair, whole paradox loop ಏನಿದೆ
I
ಅದು
would
cut
say
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
people should grow up thinking, this thing, judgmental behavior ಇರಬಾರ್ದು,
Yeah.
ಜಡ್ಜೇ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. That should be an education. Imagine ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಮಗು ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮೈ ಕಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರಿ. ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್, ಜನರಲಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯೋಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಅ ಮೆನ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ ವುಮೆನ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ವುಮೆನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವುಮೆನ್, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯೋ. ಅದೊಂದು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಸರ್, ಲೈಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್.
ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೂ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬಂತು ತಲೆಗೆ ಲೈಕ್.
Hey, no, that's really awesome. So you want to add anything else, like anything it could be?
No, really sir, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ದೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬ್ರೇಕಪ್ ಪ್ಯಾಚಪ್ ಆಗಿ 4 years ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಕಪ್.
Okay.
Starting a new career now, all fresh, confused.
Super.
Finally I'm getting into what I actually like.
Awesome.
I hope it goes better, and
It
also
will.
I wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you so much.
You seem like a very happy person, and ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
True.
Things might come, might not come, whatever it is, life goes on and on and on.
Super. Thank you so much.